Vincent Arte's How to Make Your First Million delves into the lucrative world of real estate in its 7th chapter, aptly titled Real Estate Investments. In this comprehensive guide, Arte unravels the intricacies of real estate as a wealth-building strategy, offering readers a roadmap to navigate the complexities of property investment. The chapter commences with Arte illuminating the transformative potential of real estate investments in the pursuit of financial success. He sets the stage by defining real estate as a tangible and historically proven asset class, emphasizing its ability to generate wealth through strategic acquisition, management, and appreciation. Arte introduces readers to the multifaceted nature of real estate investments, encompassing residential and commercial properties, rental income, and property appreciation. He underscores the versatility of real estate, showcasing its potential as both a source of passive income and a long-term wealth-building tool. The exploration gains momentum as Arte guides readers through the fundamental principles of real estate investing. He underscores the importance of financial goals, urging readers to align their real estate endeavors with their broader wealth-building objectives. Arte introduces the concept of setting clear investment criteria, emphasizing factors such as location, property type, and financial feasibility. A pivotal theme woven throughout the chapter is the power of financing in real estate investments. Arte elucidates various financing options available to investors, from traditional mortgages to creative financing strategies. He demystifies the complexities of securing funding, offering practical insights into optimizing financial leverage for property acquisition. The narrative unfolds as Arte provides a detailed exploration of the nuances of property acquisition. He delves into the art of identifying lucrative investment opportunities, emphasizing the importance of thorough market research, property inspections, and due diligence. Arte guides readers through the process of evaluating potential properties, considering factors such as market trends, neighborhood dynamics, and growth potential. Arte expands the discussion to encompass the dynamics of long-term buy-and-hold strategies in real estate. He elucidates the benefits of acquiring income-generating properties with the potential for long-term capital appreciation. Arte guides readers through the intricacies of building a resilient real estate portfolio, emphasizing the importance of diversification and strategic property management. The exploration deepens into the realm of property management, a critical aspect of real estate investments. Arte discusses the responsibilities and challenges faced by landlords, from tenant turnover and lease enforcement to legal and ethical standards. He provides practical strategies for effective property management, underscoring the importance of maintaining properties, minimizing vacancies, and fostering positive tenant relationships. A pivotal theme woven throughout the chapter is the art of house flipping, a strategy that involves purchasing undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling for a profit. Arte delves into the intricacies of identifying properties with potential, budgeting for renovations, and navigating the challenges and benefits of this dynamic strategy. He provides readers with a comprehensive guide to the house flipping process, from acquisition to sale. Arte expands the exploration to encompass real estate partnerships, emphasizing the potential for collaboration in amplifying investment impact. He guides readers through the process of finding the right partners, structuring deals effectively, and leveraging collective resources for mutual benefit. Arte explores the dynamics of partnerships with fellow investors, real estate professionals, and financing entities. The chapter unfolds as a dynamic exploration of real estate investment strategies, with Arte introducing readers to the world of real estate investment trusts, REITs. He sheds light on the benefits and features of REITs, highlighting their potential for high dividends, liquidity, and exposure to various real estate sectors. Arte provides insights into incorporating REITs into an investment portfolio, diversifying risk, and accessing real estate markets without direct property ownership. Arte navigates the terrain of risk assessment and management in real estate investments, addressing the various factors that can impact investments. He discusses market fluctuations influenced by interest rates, economic conditions, and local trends. Arte provides practical guidance on evaluating and managing risks, offering strategies to safeguard investments against unforeseen challenges. The narrative expands to encompass the critical importance of regular property maintenance in real estate investments. Arte underscores the significance of proactive measures to prevent costly repairs, emphasizing the role of regular inspections, preventive maintenance, and responsive property management. The exploration deepens as Arte delves into the realm of real estate valuation methods. He provides a comprehensive overview of the cost approach, the sales comparison method, and the income approach. Arte guides readers through the intricacies of property valuation, offering insights into making informed investment decisions based on accurate assessments. Arte introduces readers to the importance of conducting market research in real estate investments. He emphasizes the value of collecting data on property values, rental rates, occupancy rates, and economic indicators. Arte guides readers through the process of leveraging market research to identify investment opportunities, mitigate risks, and make informed decisions aligned with market trends. The chapter unfolds as a comprehensive guide to real estate investment, with Arte discussing tax advantages associated with property ownership. He elucidates the deductions available for mortgage interest, property taxes, and property depreciation. Arte guides readers through the intricacies of tax-efficient real estate investing, helping them maximize financial benefits while navigating the complexities of tax regulations. The exploration culminates in Arte's discussion of the impact of real estate investments on lifestyle choices and financial freedom. He illustrates how successful real estate endeavors can provide a consistent stream of financial income, offering readers the flexibility to design their ideal lifestyle. Arte explores the possibilities that financial freedom unlocks, from pursuing personal passions to living life on one's terms. In conclusion, real estate investments emerges as a pivotal chapter in How to Make Your First Million, positioning real estate as a dynamic and transformative avenue for wealth creation. Vincent Arte combines insightful guidance with practical strategies, providing readers with a comprehensive toolkit to navigate the complexities of real estate investments. Whether aspiring investors or seasoned professionals, readers are equipped with the knowledge and strategies needed to harness the wealth-building potential. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? Don't miss out on the full version of the best-selling personal finance book, How to Make Your First Million, by Vincent Arte. Visit vincentarte.com now to grab your copy and embark on the journey to financial freedom. And that's not all. Everyone who buys a book through our website will have the unique opportunity, courtesy of Vincent Arte, to secure lifelong passive income for themselves.